Afternoon, children. Welcome to EVS class. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to deal about uses of our body parts. Today in our lesson we will know about the uses of our body parts. Okay, children. Children, there are internal organs and external organs in our body. Internal organs are not visible, they are invisible. External organs are visible. External organs అంటే మనకి కనిపించేవి like eyes, nose, tongue, knee, toes, leg, fingers, mouth, ear, head. All those things are called external organs. Okay, these organs are also useful for us and they help us in reading and writing, doing exercise, walking, and the main controller of these all organs is brain, which is an internal organ. Here in this picture we can see few internal organs. First one is lungs, second one is liver, third one is kidneys, fourth one stomach, fifth one brain, sixth one heart. All these organs play a vital role in a function of our body. All these organs are necessary and their functioning is also necessary for the proper growth. The main controller of our body is, what can we see here? It is brain. Without brain, all the body organs will not function properly. Brain is the main controller of our body, and this organ should function properly when we read, write, and when we do any sort of thing. No children, ఏదైనా పని చేసే ముందు ఏదైనా వర్క్ బాగా చేయాలి అనుకోండి, మన ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ అన్నా ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ అన్నా ముందు బ్రెయిన్ బాగా పని చేయాలి. ఓకే, ద నెక్స్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆర్గన్ ఈజ్ హార్ట్. Did you listen in any time the sound of lub-dub? If you run with a great speed, then if you keep left hand on your left side of the chest, then you can listen the sound of our heart. At that time, heart will pump the blood fast. Okay, that's why we can hear the sound lub-dub. Heart is very important organ. Now the next organ what we are seeing is lungs, children. What is the function of the lung? Lungs help us to breathe. When we breathe in, the lungs are filled with oxygen. Okay, and we exhale carbon dioxide. Oxygen, OXYGEN. Carbon dioxide, CARBONDIOXIDE. Carbon dioxide. Okay, now we will see the next organ. What is this? This is called stomach. Stomach is the organ through which the food we eat get digested away. The food that we eat directly enters into the stomach and then it is digested. The shape of the stomach is a bag-like thing. Whatever food we eat from the morning to the night, everything goes to the stomach only. Okay, children. Here, stomach plays an important role in digestion. Now, whatever we are seeing in the picture, no, that is kidneys. We have two kidneys, children. One is right kidney, other is left kidney. To the whatever water we are eating, sorry, children, the main function of the kidneys are production of urine. Whatever water we drink, no, that is being filtered through the kidneys only. Then it will come out in the form of urine, and the blood is also purified here. The next we are seeing liver. Liver is also an important organ. Here the liver produces few juices, children. Without these juices, the food will not get digested away. Okay. Now we had seen about the internal organs as well as external organs. Okay, children. External organs are the organs which can be seen, but the internal organs are the organs which cannot be seen, but it is important. Thank you, children.